Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introducing myself. My name is Elizabeth Triviana with study number 121230011. In this video, I will submit the result of the journal review that I have done to fulfill the final exam for the physical chemistry course. The title of my journal review is Enhancing Polymer Electrolyte with Carbon Nanotube Filler, a Promising Frontier by S.M. Misenan et al. This is my profile. My name, Elizabeth Perdana, with standard number 121230011 with class TKF. Introduction. With the increasing environmental concern and limited supply of fossil fuel and hydrocarbon, the use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power increasing. However, the unstable nature of renewable energy makes it necessary to have a large scale electrical energy storage system to deliver and integrate the renewable energy. Energy storage is important to ensure a balance between energy supply and demand. Energy storage technology is essential to support technology production that requires a stable power source with a constant frequency. Today, with the increasing in energy production and demand, the need for energy source that can store energy over long period of time, such as several weeks or months, is increasing. Electrochemical battery with convert electrical energy into chemical energy are the most potential storage technology for application in electronic and transportation compared to other storage technologies such as hydro pump, flywheel, compressed air, and superconducting magnet system. Advances in battery technology are essential to support social growth and technological progress. Redox flow batteries are one of promising electrochemical storage technology for energy storage on a large scale. Meanwhile, small-scale energy storage systems such as lithium-ion batteries and supercapacitors are increasingly driven by the use of portable electronic devices. Lithium-ion batteries are widely used to store energy in devices as cell phone. The advantages of lithium battery include low self-discharge rate, long life, and high energy density. The electrolyte in the battery is an important component that play a role transferring lithium, and the ideal electrolyte should have a chemical stability as well as good conduction ability. Polymer electrolytes such as those used in lithium battery are being developed to use cheaper and environmentally friendly metal salts. The potential of solid polymer electrolyte allow for safer and more efficient use in lithium metal batteries that have high energy density. The manufacturing manufacturing process of polymer electrolyte is not compiled and does not require sintering at high temperature, and polymers have the advantage of being lightweight, flexible, and can reduce the impediment between the electrode and electrolyte. Increasing research trends are showing more and more attention toward polymer electrolyte application with recent that include the development of polymer material with better conductivity and stability, and the integration of nanomaterial to improve performance. Despite progress, challenge in achieving head ion conductivity at room temperature, improving mechanical strength, and overcoming compatibility issue with electrode still remain. Research continue to innovate to address those issues through multidisciplinary collaboration. In addition, the use of biopolymer-based electrolyte indicate a global direction toward environmentally friendly technology and sustainable energy source. Carbon nanotubes are often used as filler in conductive composite due to their outstanding mechanical, electrical, thermal, and structural property. CNT have high mechanical strength and good compatibility with metric polymer. Research advanced in CNT application such as in fuel cell, solar cell, and lithium battery have attracted the attention of scientists. The article which discussed application polymer RC anti-composite as polymer electrolyte in energy storage device. The outstanding characteristic of CNT in terms mechanical, optical, physical, and chemical make them widely research material in science and technology. CNT were CNT have excellent electrical conductivity, high durability, as well as thermal sustainability, which makes them suitable for various applications. The characteristics of CNT are clearly influenced by the scientific method and processor material used in the manufacturing of this follow cylindrical material. Various synthesis methods can produce unique properties and defects in CNT. Next is production method of CNT. Since the accidental discovery by Ichima in 1991 recurring CNT synthesis, various synthesis methods have been developed and applied for CNT production. The first method was discovered by Ichima while producing polarons using RC charge technique. Since then, the RC charge technique has become one of the main methods in CNT production, along with the laser vaporizing and chemical vapor disposition method that came later. A schematic diagram of this technique can be seen for figure 4 in causing the best method for CNT production, especially for large scale. The selectivity of the final product to CNT is major factor to be considered. High selectivity to CNT can reduce separation and purification costs. That's technically. In the basic discovery of CNT, the electrical arc discharge method was widely used to produce single-wall carbon nanotube and double-wall carbon nanotube. Part of the structure can be produced by the same method with a slight addition of metal catalyst to produce WCMT. The basic principle of CNT synthesis using this method was discovered by Ichima, wherein a direct current through a carbon electrode in inert gas such as argon or helium. The interaction between the anode and cathode electrode vaporizes carbon atom in the plasma as current is applied to the system. This process occurs at temperature of more than 400 K, and the stability of the plasma from high at temperature of determining the yield of CNT. Westing at mentioned that although the art discharge method is simple, there are some problems that arise, such as unstable current flow to change in electrode spacing when CNT are formed, which can lead to product contamination. In addition, this method requires high quality inert gas, and the time-consuming purification step can increase in production costs. As an alternative, a more cost-effective method using liquid media instead of noble gas is proposed. This method can avoid complex purification step and product CNT with high impurity. However, report that CNT product from this method have small size and random orient orientation. Uh, Two is laser evaporation. In this method, a mixture of carbon, graphite, and transition metal catalyst is vaporized by laser irradiation in a inert atmosphere. The carbon metal vapor format will be carried by the inert gas to cooling chamber, allowing the carbon metal particles to combine to from CNT. The metal catalyst play a role in preventing the carbon cluster from converting the cylindrical structure of the CNT. This method previously only product SWCNT with poor and longer structure, but with the addition of boron carpet RP4C to carpet MW with CNT can also be produced using same system with helium, argon, or gas. Oz et al. Report to product CNT using this method. Several factors need to be considered, such as reaction temperature, type, inert gas, and pressure, which affect the production yield and the numbers of structural defects. A longer reaction temperature can increase in the CNT yield. Munoz et al. Found that the amount of SWCNT product was very small way when using helium gas, where product state that SWCNT yield were hanged to the use argon and nitrogen. In addition, the quality SWCNT can be better with the use of pulsed laser compared to continuous laser evaporation. Orthodox method product CNT with superior quality compared to art discharge technique. The laser ablation technique is limited to laboratory scale production due to high costs involving the use of lasers during the synthesis process. And three, chemical vapor deposition. Chemical vapor deposition, or CVD, is a long-use technique to produce high-quality thin film or material through the process of deposition or decomposition of target material on the surface of a catalyst. In this In this method, hydrocarbon source that can be in solid, liquid, or gas form is converted to into vapor that then carried through a tubular furnace to containing a metal catalyst using an inert gas. Temperature in furnace usually range from 5 550 derajat Celcius to 1 to 00 derajat Celsius because at this temperature the hydrocarbon molecule will decompose and deposit the catalyst surface. The interaction between this reaction species, species and the metal catalyst with product CNT will then collapse after the system is cooled. In this technique, the size of the CNT product usually depends directly on the size of the metal catalyst used. Moreover, different combination of metal catalyst and power will result in different percentage yields with different CNT size. In addition, variation in hydrocarbon size or feedstock also affect the growth of CNT on the metal catalyst. In general, to protect MWCNT pressure cores with more carbon atom, such as unsaturated hydrocarbon, are caused because they can product higher deposition rate compared to saturated hydrocarbon. However, expensive carbon deposits on metal catalyst surface can inhibit SWCNT growth. Based on research, the CVD technique has the great potential to synthesize the SWCNT or MWCNT. Although the result CNT have a higher different rate compared to the art discharge and large absorption method. This technique is preferred because it is more cost effective and pure product requires favor purification step. Moreover, the size, characteristic, and structuring of the result CNT can be controlled easily through change in catalyst size and type, gas flow rate, carbon source, reaction time, and temperature. Table 1 summarizes the comparison between the described method with each method having its own advantages and consideration regarding efficiency, scalability, and environment impact. Next is property of CNT. Nanotechnology is field that has been widely studied to the special property and character of this nanostructured material. The use of nanomaterial has led to various breakthroughs in many its research. Nanomaterial are basically material with a unit size of about 1 m to 100 nm, with lengths that can reach several millimeters. This type of nanomaterial can the be classification based on their dimensional characteristic, which can be 0, 1, 2, or 3 dimension, with each dimension having unique physical structure and chemical properties. Carbon-based nanomaterial include various structures such as CNT, Fluorescence, graphene, nanodiamond, and nanopars. all of which can be formed because carbon atom can be inferred from hybridization. In principle, the formation of CNT cars track the rolling of smooth carbon in cylindrical structure, which can be either single carbon tubes or double wall carbon tubes. CNT are classified and one-dimensional nanomaterial that have homogeneous structure and large surface area with a porous framework. The additional graphene layer on CNT can important various mechanical, electrical, optical, or thermal characteristic to the resulting CNT. Based on the way rolling, there are three types of SWCNT structure that can be formed, namely archem, chiral, and zigzag CNT. The size of the resulting CNT can vary from a few nanometer about 100 nanometer due to the hydrophobic nature of CNT. Interaction between CNT compound and other atom molecular only occur through p electronic interaction. On the other hand, the interaction between the carbon layer of MWCNT is bound by van der Waals force, since the p-orbital of CNT are not a flat pan. This gives CNT a unique characteristic that allow them to act as absorption sites for external material. Research show that the unique chromatic properties of CNT allow for contrasting space within the follow structure of CNT. But between nanotube bundle, external curve where two tube meet, as well as the surface area of CNT to absorb bright material. Coleman note that the electrical conductivity of synthesis CNT could vary depending on the rolling direction of the carbon sheet. The connection between the axial direction and the hexagonal lattice of CNT can deform the planar system carbon. Those cause the resulting CNT to be semiconductive, semi-metallic, or metallic. Ultra pure CNT theoretical have a one-dimensional tubular structure. In practice, the CNT will be incorporated into each other, which may transfer to conductivity due to scarred current flow. Another unique property of CNT is based on the synthetic method used. Each method product different exclusive property. Each synthetic rod has different impurities and defects, but in general, its scientist method product CNT with excellent mechanical, electrical, optical, and chemical properties. Modi- Modification of CNT. CNT or carbon nanotube are versatile material that can be modified to tailor their physical and chemical characteristics to a specific application need. The hydrophobic surface or CNT can reduce dispersibility and dissolution due to presence of strong van der Waals bond in their bundle. Therefore, surface modification of CNT by adding hydrophobic groups is important step to prevent complementary and expand their application potential. One the basic method to modify CNT is by functionalization, which is a thin functional group on the hydrophobic CNT surface. The process involves the use various oxidation agent such as nitric acid, sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen peroxide, or chlorosulfonic acid. These materials oxide the CNT surface and add functional groups such as hydroxyl carboxyl ketone or aldehyde, as well as help remove carbon impurities. The properties of the modified CNT depend on the type, oxidative temperature, and duration of the reaction. Longer reaction at high temperature can cause structural difference in CNT, but in some cases, this defect actually improve the interaction of CNT with other material as they provide with their binding area. In addition to conflict functionalization method, CNT can also be modified using non-conventional functionalization. This method preserves the original character of CNT by reduced structure. One promising approach is to use polymer as CNT coating to improve their physical or chemical property. Conductive polymers such as polypyrrole, polyaniline, and polythiophene are often used sensor technology application as they are able to improve the electrical conductivity, mechanical property, and stability of CNT. Research has also shown that CNT coated with certain polymer, such as polymer valve, are able to form architectural network that strengthen the tensile strength of the material. Other polymers such as poly, and polyphenylacetylene also profit imperfect to mechanical electrical biocompatibility property or CNT. Overall, both conflict and non-conflict functionalization can improve the physicochemical property or CNT. Although Hopeful method may cause defect in the CNT structure. Advanced modification such as metal impermeation remain possible to further further improve the property or the modified CNT. Next is offer of filler in polymer electrolyte. The use of filler in polymer was initially aimed at lowering product costs, but is now used to improve the mechanical quality of polymer. Polymer reinforced with in inorganic filler such as steel, glass fiber, carbon black, and calcium carbonate. So significant change in modulus of strength compared to the pure polymer. However, traditional filler require high con- concentration to achieve improved property, result in problem in melt flow and processing. Nano scale material are becoming the preferred choice to their large specific interest area with increased interfacial interaction and mechanical modulus. Nanofillers such as carbon nanotube and carbon have the advantage of high aspect ratio and outstanding mechanical strength. These nanoparticle enable better transfer to the nanofiller network through more even thread distribution, however, to maximize the reinforcement potential, the nanoparticle must be evenly dispersed the matrix. And additional to mechanical properties, nanocomposites also offer the optimal thermal and barrier properties. CNT as filler. CNT are super organic filler with high thermal and electrical conductivity, called elasticity, high tensile strength, and flexibility. This character make it the material of choice or for reinforcing polymer electrolyte membrane, such as Nafion and various other polymers. Although the electrical conductivity of this membrane is naturally low, the addition of CNT helps improve their mechanical property and surface morphology, which is beneficial for applications such as fuel cell and other conductive devices. Is preparation method for CNT. The effects of CNT polymer composite is affected by dispersion orientation and processing technique. For dispersion can lead to CNT agglomeration, thus limiting the mechanical and physical properties. However, alignment of CNT in polymer matrix and can create efficient pathway for phonon transmission, improving the thermal and electrical characteristics of the composite. As a result, optimal orientation and disperse method are required to achieve the performance of CNT. Uh, method for CNT, one technique, a modern technique, one layer by layer or LBL assembly method. Uh, Layer by layer or LBL technique is straightforward cost-effective method for product in molecular assembling for multifunctional tailor material with nanometer thickness suitable for hex scale product of hex integrate microsensor. The process as illustrated figure 6a and b involves immersing substrate in the dispersed solution of CNT and polyelectrolyte. The composite film from on the substrate which is the reason with pure water to eliminate weakly bond polyelectrolyte. Initially, the substrate is immersed in positively charged poly, polyelectrolyte solution, followed by immersion in a negatively charged polyelectrolyte solution to create a double layer composite film. This method can also be utilized for incorporation in organic nanoparticle into organic by polymers, offering airship control over the CNT ratio and thickness of the resulting composite. Next, swelling method. Uh, the swelling technique is a highly effective method for creating strong and durable CNT or polymer composite. This method enables the incorporation of CNT into temperature sensitive and insoluble polymer material by utilizing the approach. CNT can be evenly dispersed within even the polymer film, resulting in composite with exceptional mechanical, thermal, and electrical property. demonstrate the product of CNT rain cover composite using the shelving method. During processing is suspension of MWCNT and commercially available carbon fiber was created using and methyl polyethylene on NMP as a solvent and ultrasonication. The carbon fiber swell, allowing for diffusion or CNT into the fiber. Sub- Subsequently, the sample was treated and characterizing, leading to enhanced mechanical property of the carbon CNT composite. In another in another study, conducive conductive CNT-based polyethylene composites were developed using a similar approach. MWCNT were dispensed into a swell then PE film using tetrahydrofuran as a solvent for ultrasonic. Uh, Next, Paki paper RPP based method. Uh, Bucky pepper is then a porosity made of CNT sheet or Mediatrox screening process CNT. They have differed in specific solvent. This method product material extending mechanical and electrical property when PP is filled with a polymer metric inter intersect in polymer composite layer. In addition to partial filtration technique, PP can also be prepared by the thermopassing method. In this method, MBCNT are certified on 10 centimeter diameter silicon substrate coated with a microporous membrane and subject to constant pressure. This process in repeat until silicon substrate separates and the PP can reserve from the membrane using ethanol. The resulting PP has electrical properties and thermal conductivity and flexibility and strength. The development Pelonic resin composite using PP as the base material. The process involves mixing MWC and T disparate in essence into penetration using high-speed mixture. The mixture was filtered, dried, and pressure melted to form phenolic resin PP composite paper. Creatine composite membrane based on MWC anti-PP and polycrylonitrile pen nanofiber. The combination of electrode spinning, thermal heating, and vacuum filtration technique result in a membrane has a mechanical strength of 19 MPa, smooth surface, and high shielding efficiency. Various studies have shown that PP-based methods are capable of producing composite with superior mechanical, electrical, and thermal properties to polymer and modern methods such as PP technique. Questions or process complex to afford those of it necessary necessary to apply automation technology and optimization the project for achieving efficiency and utilization sustainable sustainable material. Next is CNT hybrid composite polymer electrolyte. Hybrid conducive composite refers to the addition of conducive component into a polymerization matrix to create a material that can conduct electricity. The polymer or resin matrix itself does not have conductive property. Conductive filler material are often a hybrid filler consisting of three elements are designed not to improve electrical conductivity while maintaining other characteristics such as low density and viscosity. Study band can be clarified that hybrid filler system in petalite-based composite can significantly improve thermal conductivity. The use of CNT in polymer electrolyte has enabled the transformation of polymer into material that conduce electric development in development a hybrid membrane using sulfonate polyether keton blended with single wall CNT modified with polyaminobenzen sulfonic acid. This combination result a composite membrane that show improved proton conductivity and optimal performance in direct methanol fuel cell. Next, challenge and future. Uh, Lithium ion battery technology has led a portable electronic market in recent years and continues to undergo significant development. Proper electro selection is crucial factor in determining the performance of lithium battery. Polymer electrolyte are emerging as one of the most promising candidates for commercial application, as recently reported. One ionic conductivity. The optimal ionic conductivity for CNT-based composite polymer electrolytes can vary depending on several factors such as type of polymer metric used, the concentration and type of CNT, and processing technique applied. Two interfacial properties. Interfacial properties are gaining great attention because the optimization of nanocomposite properties relatively and in-depth understanding of the interface characteristic, the efficiency of charge transfer, and intron to property of nanocomposite are strong impressed with emphasize the importance of understanding the interaction mechanism in the interface. Next is Biopets polymerization and decomposite. Currently, global change and industrial effort indicate a growing interest from the scientific community toward the development of biopolymer-based nanocomposite. They use various thermoplastic biopolymers, and the nanocomposite is gaining popularity to their potential environmental impact in the design of new application. Next is conclusion. Carbon nanotube or CNT are potential pillar in conducive polymer electrolytes that can improve the performance or energy storage device with chemical, mechanical, electrical, thermal, and structural advantages. CNT improve the morphology, mechanical strength, and efficiency of the base. This review confers and synthesis methods of CNT and their unique characteristic, providing insight for research to optimization polymer electrolyte with CNT as prospective nanofiller. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.